Can we have Rishi? Rishi is absent. Okay. Kavyanjali. Rishi and Kavyanjali, please double up. This is Rishi from class 2A. He is the topper for English, Math, EVS, Computer Science and Language 2 Tamil. Come on, Rishi. Thank you, ma'am. Up next, we have Kavyanjali, topping Language 3 Hindi. And Ishan Pradhan for Language 3 French. Ishan. Next we have class 2B. Akshara P is the class topper for English, Computer Science and EVS. That is Akshara. And we have Kaniga R for Math. Kaniga R. Double up Kaniga. Moving on to class 2C. We have Sahana R topping EVS and English. Sahana R. And Bhuvan Jay Desigan for Language 2 Hindi. Bhuvan Jay. And Freesia Sherin for Language 3 Tamil. Freesia Sherin for Language 3 Tamil. Let's move on to class 3A. Class 3A. The class topper is Benish Anto for English, Math, Language 2 Tamil. Nandish M for EVS. Nandish. Double up Nandish. For EVS, it is Nandish M. Manav Raj for Language 3 French and Computer Science. Manav, could you please wait? Could you please wait? That is Nandish M for EVS and Manav Raj for Computer Science and Language 3 French. And for Language 3 Tamil, it is Sai Sanjay. Moving on to class 3B. The class topper is Yagna Arani for the subjects English and Mathematics. Yagna is a topper for English and Mathematics. Roshni Krishnan for EVS. Lakshita T for Computer Science. And Sreshvi Maniprakash for Language 3 Hindi. Thank you, Madaneshwari ma'am. Thank you. May I now request our chief guest, Mrs. Arundhati Swami, to honor the award winners. We will move on to class 4A. The class topper for math, science, computer science and social is Atin J. Desigan. Atin J. For English, it is Aryan Raghunath. Aryan Raghunath for English. Moving on to class 4B, Preeta K is the class topper for English, computer science and math. That is Preeta K. Catherine Abigail for language 2 Tamil, language 3 French and science. Ayan Das Gupta for language 2 Hindi and social. Skandesh Maniprakash for language 3 Tamil. We will move on to class 5. Stanley Nirmal is a class topper for social, computer science, language 2 Hindi, language 3 French. Sanchita S for English. Barnish D for math. Deepika A for science. P.U. Pranav for language 2 Tamil and language 3 Hindi. And Naresh R for language 3 Tamil. We will move on to class 6A. Pulkit Kumar is a class topper for English language, biology, history and civics, math, English literature and language 2 Hindi. He deserves a big round of applause. Kandan R for physics, chemistry, computer science, geography and language 3 Tamil. Good job, Kandan. We will move on to class 6B. Akash P is the class topper for math, chemistry, biology, physics, computer science, language 3 Hindi and history and civics. That's a mouthful. Visagan is the class topper for geography. Amrita M for English literature and English language. Betsy S for language 2 Tamil. And Joel for language 3 French. We will move on to class 7. Yuthika S is the class topper for English language, English literature, math, chemistry and L3 French. Diksha K for history and civics, geography, language 3 Tamil. Ashwita for biology. Akhil Jason Inian for physics. Shifra for Computer Science, Language 3 Hindi. Shaina U for Language 2 Hindi. And Lakshya R for Language 2 Tamil. Thank you, Arundhati ma'am. May I now request our beloved director ma'am, Ms. Sindhura Arvind, to honor the winners, starting with class 8. Class 8, the class topper for English language, English literature is Ria Anthony. She also tops physics, biology, geography and language 3 French. A big round of applause. Shri Sanith for math, chemistry, history and civics. Srinithi V for language 2 Hindi and language 3 Tamil. Akshita KM for language 2 Tamil and language 3 Hindi. Is Akshita here? Okay, we will move on to class 9 now. Meenakshi Subramaniam is a class topper for English language, English literature, math, physics, chemistry, history and civics, language 2 Tamil and computer science. Good job, Meenakshi. We have Harish for language 2 Hindi. Harish is the topper for language 2 Hindi. Nandini Ganesh for biology and geography. Fatima Zafira for computer science. Oh, I'm sorry. Fatima Zafira for commercial studies. Tarani Alan T for EVS, environmental science. And Sai Motesh S for physical education. We will move on to class 10. The class topper is Pooja Solayappan for English language, English literature, math, physics, chemistry and geography. Is Pooja here? We will move on. Anbamati tops biology, history and civics, language 2 Tamil. And Sneha S for language 2 Hindi. Sneha S for language 2 Hindi. Next will be the award winners. The board toppers are going to get their awards. The board topper was Marshini R for language 2 Hindi, math, history and civics, geography and physical education. They deserve a big round of applause. Marshini. Muthulakshmi for language 2 Tamil and science. Next set of awards will be for students for their impeccable attendance. We will start with class 1A and I request our director ma'am to give away the awards for these children too. For class 1A, it is Rakshana R with 98% attendance. Okay. For 1B, it is Vaishali P with 99% attendance. And for 1C, it is Nitin S with 99% attendance. Excellent job, children. We will move on to class 2A. Bhuvanesh has 100% attendance. Yes. Thank you, audience. Falisha Salma has 100% attendance again. We have one more. Pujita Shri again with 100% attendance from class 2A. Akshara P from class 2B has 100% attendance again. From 2C, it is Nishika A with 99% attendance. Moving on to 3A, Catherine Trinita has 98% attendance. Catherine Trinita. From 3B, it is Manoj Kumar with 100% attendance. And Mokshita S with 100% attendance. Class 4A,